breaking news coming in right now. Amid murmurs of leadership change, Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa has expressed confidence that he will continue as the Chief Minister. He said the BJP High Command has faith in him and that he will resign the day the High Command asks him to do so. The statement comes in the backdrop of section of BJP MLAs from Karnataka camping in Delhi, seeking leadership change in the state of Karnataka.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ದಿವಸ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೀರಿ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಉಳಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ.
Nolan Pinnu reporting from Bengaluru now joins us for the latest on the story. Nolan, while Yediyurappa has broken his silence, says that he will continue as the Chief Minister, unless of course the High Command asks him to step down in Karnataka. But what has been the reason, if you could just tell our viewers, of the MLAs being upset with his leadership?
In fact, ever since Yediyurappa became the Chief Minister of Karnataka, we have seen that a lot of people, especially within the party, leaders, MLAs, ministers have actually come out in the open stating that he must resign. One of the basic reasons, or the primary reasons, is because of the interference of his younger son over here in the administration. And this is what has not gone down well with many of them, especially the old-timers. That is one point. The second point is, most of the old guard in the BJP who were to become ministers, that is MLAs to ministers, did not get a chance to do so because of those who jumped ship from the Congress and the JDS to the BJP. They are the ones who became ministers. In fact, Yediyurappa had promised them that if they jump over to the BJP and help him from the government, they will be made ministers. So you see, these are the issues that did not go down well with many of them. And also, many senior leaders who have in the past been ministers have actually complained, saying that Yediyurappa is not providing them with the proper amount basically for their constituencies. So various complaints, we have seen them actually going to Delhi, we have seen them meeting the High Command, JP Nadda, Amit Shah, complaining about the issues. Yediyurappa's younger son has also been going up and down to Delhi, meeting JP Nadda. So keeping all this in mind, these are the issues that have actually forced Yediyurappa to actually come out today and make this particular statement that he still has the confidence of the High Command, and if the High Command asks him to resign, he will step down willingly.
Absolutely, leave it at that. Thanks, Nolan, for joining us with the latest details right there.